Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today we are going to review our Trending Gold Hedge Expert Advisor, Trending Hedge Gold Expert Advisor, which is specifically for gold trading and including scalping as well as hedging strategy as and when the market is in its favor as per the parameters. Okay, so as on today, the total absolute gain is 584.33% within 7 weeks. It is updated 5 hours ago. However, the drawdown has exceeded a bit towards 66.68%, and the monthly is around 238.03%, and the daily is around 4.18%. So the drawdown has gone a bit, but as compared to the profitability, it has manifold, like almost 600%. Like it's not 600%, it's almost like 584.33% as on the statistics, which is updated 5 hours ago. So let's go to the live trades. So these are the live trades. As you can see, there are 3 trades right now. Okay, and based on the history, let's go to the history, the historical trades. As we started this account on 11th of May 2026, and today is 26th of June 2026, which is 7 weeks. And this is a very aggressive setting, and the minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor for this specific setting is 100k, and 100k could be US cents as well. That is equivalent to 1000 US dollar, but not less than that, because this is an aggressive setting that we used in this particular account. Okay, so from 11th of May, let's get started. So I am showing you each and every trade from start. So I would say this particular setting might be useful, or maybe more favorite for the people who are willing to uh, take more risk. Okay, and they are willing to take the stake on their account and willing to take higher risk. Okay, so few of these trades, like what you are seeing right now, these are not of this expert advisor. This we started from 14th of May, in fact, but since we are using this account from 11th of May, so I'm taking all these in consideration here. I think I need to move it a little faster. I have no intention to skip any trades, but it's just like that. It is just on 13th of May, and today is 26th of June, so it will take more time in coming to today's point. So I will uh, drag it over here and go a little faster without skipping the trades. I'm okay. Okay, so we reached at the start, at the end. Okay, so with a deposit of 100k, we reached at a profit of 597.89, and these are the running trades right now. As you can see, 697.89. Guys, I'm reiterating that this is a demo account, this is a trial account, because the expert advisor is new. Okay, and we are testing this particular setting on this expert advisor. This is an aggressive setting. we do have moderate setting and low risk settings as well. But just to check the profitability on this one and how the market reacts to this particular setting, we are using this particular setting for a while, and we will be continuing it for a few weeks and before deploying it on a real money account. Okay, but this is live trading. This is live trading account. The only difference is that this is not real money, this is demo money, but this is live trading. Okay, and you have already seen the Myfxbook. Let's go to the Myfxbook once again. As I said, the drawdown has been on a little on the higher side, and we'll be working on the another setting of this expert advisor using equity stop and stop loss. However, in that case, the profitability as well as the drawdown both will go down. Okay, so this was updated 5 hours ago. So at that moment there was a single trade going on, and right now at that moment. And if you would like to see what kind of trades that the EA has taken, I have provided you the link of this expert advisor Myfxbook link, verified link, in the video description, and you can check the history over here and you can see all the trades that has been closed, just to verify that how the expert advisor used to open and close the trades. Okay, so every statistics you can check it over here in the Myfxbook link that is in the video description. And these are the running trades right now. As you can see how the hedging works, I will stick to it for a few seconds. So as I mentioned that the minimum requirement I would suggest is 100k US cents, that is 1000 US dollar. Okay, and with a good broker, because a good broker is very much important, because in hedging actually you need accuracy and precision. You need to open and close the trades at the right time at the right price. So sometimes just due to slippage and and higher spreads, it becomes difficult for the hedging to close the trades at the right moment. Guys, I was just waiting that the trade to close in front of you, but it might be taking some time. So let's wait for a few more seconds. In case if it doesn't close, then probably I need to close the video, because anyhow it will be closed in a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes, whatever. Okay, but I just wanted to show you that how the expert advisor used to take the trades and how it closes. So I just thought that let me show it to you in front. See, the trades has been closed, maybe with a little profit, but the trade has been closed, right? So these are the buy stop and sell stop it used to enter and exit. And let's close this video. In the video description you will find many important information. You will find a playlist where you can check all the expert advisor videos that we have uploaded in our YouTube channel. And in case if you have any query about this expert advisor, you can contact me on email or Telegram. I have mentioned my email and Telegram both in the video description. So thank you very much, guys. I wish you good luck and enjoy your weekend. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with the family. Have a wonderful day.